welcome to Zayd Innovation channel. In this video we are going to show you how to build an amazing Jeep. If you're new or if you're interested in this kind of creativity and innovation and you wanted to show your creativity and abilities to the world, so subscribe and follow this channel. As we know that we don't need to hard work or to do very complex work. The most important part of innovation is idea, which can be made with the least facilities and simple tools. Write your comments and suggestions below these posts. Your feedback is very valuable to us.